We have so many features we use when building a stream. They include rock veins, log veins, wood tows with or without soil lifts, floodplain grading, oxbow wetlands, and floodplain logs.
A imbricated cross vein. All of this is designed to slowly drop the water at a controlled rate and hold grade behind the rest of the creek. These vein arms allow water during a flood event to come up and slowly dissipate in a controlled fashion into the pool.
This log vein shows well how the log redirects the water. Here we have a wood tow with soil lifts tying into an existing boulder. The bank here was so high that we couldn't excavate the bench that we would ideally like to have, but we had enough floodplain relief on the inside of the bend, so we were able to stabilize this steep slope using soil lifts, which will provide the stability to the outer bend, and they tie into the elevation of the large boulder that's also stabilizing this outer bend.
We use soil lifts to achieve vertical gain. Basically, we're taking our core mat and able to bring it up in about 6 to 8 inch lifts and then stair step it back. So it almost has a stadium seating effect, but it allows us to chase grade with soil rather than using rock, which can cut costs, and it's able to be planted unlike rock.
You see, like, it's flat and then there's a little drop before the stream. That area is providing a bit more floodplain capacity for when the stream overtops its banks for dissipating its energy. We moved the stream out into another part of the floodplain and left the old stream channel there. It's filling back in and turning into a wetland area. One of the ways that we can balance the dirt on the site is by losing it in the old stream channel. What we like to do is compact that area so that it holds groundwater and it will develop as a wetland area. Any wetlands that we impact during stream construction, we have to offset those losses. And so by using the offline abandoned channel as a created wetland, we can meet those obligations to not lose any wetlands during the stream restoration.
On a project of this size, over the course of the entire project, we're installing thousands of those structures or features. In an area, in any given small reach, you can easily identify 10 of them at any given time.